frozen heart inside the wires. The world is screaming without voice. I chase the echo of desire. A silver shimmer in the dark, like something sharp behind the sky. I tear a line across the void just to remember I'm alive. Pull me through the hollow, split the night in two. Let the shadows tremble. I'm breaking into you. Slice open the static. Let the feeling bleed through. Every fracture ecstatic as I'm falling into you. Cut through the numbness. Set the darkness alight. I'm alive in the damage when we're breaking the night. Your silhouette inside the smoke, a sacred wound, a burning light. You carve your name inside my soul and drag me back into the night. I taste electricity again, the pulse beneath your phantom skin. You tear the sky with every breath and pull me deeper into sin. Pull me through the hollow, split the night in two. Let the shadows tremble. I'm breaking into you. Slice open the static. Let the feeling bleed through. Every fracture is static as I'm falling into you. Cut through the numbness. Set the darkness alight. I'm alive in the damage when we're breaking the night. Break me, take me, shadow what's inside. Shake me, wake me, cut open the sky. Whispers in the silence.